Hello everyone, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in next lecture of Econ 242. Course title is Agricultural Finance and Cooperation. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about World Bank. Okay, so first of all, we see what is meant by World Bank. So this World Bank, it is an international organization dedicated to provide financing advice and research to developing nation to aid their economic development. Okay, so first of all, this World Bank, it is an international organization and mainly it is dedicated to providing financial advice as well as research to developing nation for their economic development is known as World Bank. Okay, so World Bank. So present president of World Bank is David Malpass and membership near about 185 countries are the members of this World Bank. Then headquarter of this World Bank is located at Washington and establishment during July 1944. Means World Bank was established during July 1944. Then World Bank Group. So this World Bank Group constitute of 5 different agencies. First one, that is IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It is also called as World Bank. Second one is IDA, that is International Development Association. Third one, IFC, that is International Finance Corporation. Fourth one is MIGA, that is Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. And fifth one, that is ICSID, that is International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute. These all together are known as World Bank Group. Okay. After that, we see one by one these different agencies. In that first one, that is IBRD. This IBRD is also known as World Bank. This IBRD provides long-term capital to the developing countries, and establishment of IBRD during 1944 at Bretton Woods Conference. The membership of IBRD are near about 188 countries, and the main purpose of this IBRD is credit providing. Okay, and main aim is poverty reduction. Okay, this is the IBRD. So in short, we see different functions of IBRD. So first function, that is assist in reconstruction and development of member countries, promote private foreign investment, then promote balanced growth of international trade, then assist in bringing about smooth transition from war to peaceful economy, and aim to reduce poverty in middle income and credit-worthy poor countries. Okay, these are the different functions of IBRD. So main aim of this IBRD is reduction of poverty, and due to reduce the poverty, it provide financial assist or credit facilities to different developing countries. Okay, after that, next one, that is IDA. So long form of IDA, it is International Development Association. Okay, so this IDA, it offers the concessional loan and grants to the world poorest developing countries. Okay, so main aim of this IDA is to provide loan or grant loan to the poorest developing countries. So this IDA is also called as Poor Countries Fund Window. Okay, so this IDA established during 1960. Headquarter of IDA was located in Washington. Total membership of 173 countries, and it is the World Bank Fund for the poorest country. Okay, this is the IDA. After that, next one, that is IFC, International Finance Corporation. So this International Finance Corporation offers the investment, advisory and asset management services to encourage the private sector development in developing countries. Okay, so it offers the investment, advisory and assess management services to the developing countries. Then establishment of IFC during 1956, and near about 184 member countries are the members of this IFC. And to join the IFC, a country must be member of IBRD. That means whatever the country which are the members of IBRD, that becomes the member of IFC. Okay, this is the IFC. After that, next one, that is MEGA. So long form of MEGA is Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. It offers political risk insurance. Then establishment of MEGA during 1988 and headquarters located at Washington. The established to promote the foreign direct investment into developing countries by ensuring investor against political risk, advising government on attracting investment, then mediating dispute between investor and government. So near about 175 countries are the members of MEGA. So main aim of this MEGA is offer the political risk insurance. Then next one, that is ICSID, International Center for Settlement of Dispute. So this International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute provide international facilities for conciliation and arbitration of investment dispute. The establishment of ICSID during 1969, and their main aim is to promote increased flow of international investment and also provide facilities for reconciliation of disputes between governments and foreign investment. That means main aim of this ICSID is to solve or settle the dispute between the government, foreign investor or different member countries. Okay, so this is all about World Bank Group. Then 5 priorities of World Bank. So World Bank provide loan facilities in larger external fund for education, then big support in reduction of poverty, then provide fund for biodiversity project, also help in bring clean water, electricity, transport to poor people, and help in controlling conflict between different investors. Okay, after that, next point, that is functions of World Bank. So first and major function of World Bank is granting the reconstruction loan for different purpose, then providing loans to government for agriculture, irrigation, transport, water supply, education, health, etc. Then promoting foreign investment, encouraging the industrial development, and last one, that is providing technical, economic and monetary advice to the member countries. These are the different functions of World Bank. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is study of World Bank. So question may be asked on this topic, like define World Bank and explain different functions of World Bank, or write short note on World Bank. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is World Bank. Thank you all.